Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix laptop if it shuts down when the charger is plugged out. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, when your laptop shuts down the instant you unplug it, well, the issue is almost always a dead or degraded battery, or sometimes it could be a malfunctioning power management driver. Okay. So first up, or to fix this, we could just go ahead and try to reinstall the battery drivers. To do that, right-click on your Start menu right here, and then just click on Device Manager. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead and find batteries right here and find a Microsoft AC adapter, or sometimes it's named Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery. Okay, just go ahead and find it right here. There will be no other device under a battery right here but your own laptop battery. Just right-click on it. At this time, go ahead and click on Uninstall. We don't need to update it. We just need to uninstall it so that it will automatically reinstall a newer driver for you. Okay, so go ahead and click on Uninstall right here. And then after that, close this one. And then just go ahead and restart your computer. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead over to your search bar and type down Power Plan. Okay, now click on Edit Power Plan. Right here, go ahead and click on Change Advanced Power Plan Settings. Now in this section, if you can find battery, okay, again, listen closely. If you can find battery, expand it. Just click on the plus sign, all right? For example, this one is battery. Just click on the plus sign, then find critical battery action, okay? Check it if you have it listed. And also make sure that it is set to hibernate or shut down instead of doing nothing when unplugged. All right. And then once that's done, click on OK, close, and again, restart your computer and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, you can try a hard battery reset. A hard reset will discharge static electricity and force the BIOS to recalibrate. So go ahead and turn off your laptop, turn it off, and once it's fully turned off, remove any plugged-in devices. For example, USB devices such as your mouse, external keyboard, external speakers, and also the power cable. Okay, remove everything. Now go ahead and hold the power button for about 30 seconds, okay, to flush the static electricity. And then once that's done, plug the charger back and then turn your laptop on without any peripherals first, okay? Turn it on, and once done, let the battery charge to 100% before testing it just by unplugging it again. All right? Now, if all else fails, if it's still under warranty, you can go ahead and get it replaced by your manufacturer or which you bought the specific laptop. If it's not under warranty, you can continue using your laptop, but you need to plug it in every time, okay? That sucks. But if you want it to be used with battery, you can go ahead and try to get a replacement battery online. That's basically it. Now, the question is, if replacing the battery doesn't work, the issue may stem from a blown capacitor or a shorted power management chip on the motherboard. So that needs to be checked, right? So that is how you fix your laptop if it shuts down when the charger is plugged out. I hope this video helps. I will see you in the next one.